Hey, Waivly crew. In today's podcast, we've got a variety of topics to explore. Here's what's on the horizon today. Astronaut reports strange noise from Boeing Starliner. UK to investigate Ticketmaster's dynamic pricing. Brazilian Supreme Court panel upholds X ban. Let's dive in. Stories that are making a splash. Astronaut reports strange noise from Boeing Starliner. On August 31st, NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore noticed a strange noise inside the Starliner spacecraft, currently docked at the International Space Station, ISS. He reported the issue to Mission Control, describing the sound as a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping. The unusual sound was shared online by meteorologist Rob Dale after being picked up by the spacecraft's speaker. NASA later clarified that the noise was due to audio feedback between the ISS and Starliner, which has since stopped. The agency noted that such feedback is normal given the ISS's complex audio system, where multiple spacecraft are interconnected. The incident had no impact on Starliner's operations, including its upcoming uncrewed undocking. The spacecraft, which launched on June 5th, had its mission extended as NASA and Boeing investigated a thruster issue. UK to investigate Ticketmaster's dynamic pricing. The UK government is set to investigate Ticketmaster's dynamic pricing model after chaos erupted during Oasis reunion tour ticket sales. Fans faced hours-long queues, only to find ticket prices suddenly spiking. Some standing tickets jumped from £135 to £337 and 50 pence, which is $177 to $444, in seconds, forcing quick decisions on whether to buy. Many fans missed out as tickets quickly sold out, pushing them to resale sites where prices have skyrocketed, with some listings nearing $8,000. This prompted UK Culture Secretary Lisa Nandy to criticize the inflated prices, stating it excludes ordinary fans from enjoying live music. Nandy announced that the government will address dynamic pricing and resale practices in upcoming consultations, aiming to create a fairer ticketing system that prioritizes fans and curbs exploitative resales. Brazilian Supreme Court panel upholds X ban. On Monday, 5 Brazilian Supreme Court justices upheld a decision for Anatel to limit access to X, formerly Twitter. This follows Justice Alexandre de Moraes' Friday ban, due to Elon Musk's refusal to block certain accounts and appoint a local legal representative. 4 other justices have now supported this ruling. Justices Cristiano Zanin, Flavio Dino, and Carmen Lucia fully backed the decision, while Luis Fuchs was concerned about fining users who bypass the ban with VPNs, suggesting fines should target only extremist content. In response, Brazilian users are moving to other platforms, and Poder360 is managing its X account from Portugal. Starlink has told Anatel it will not enforce the ban until its assets are unfrozen. X remains accessible via Starlink, despite de Moraes blocking Starlink's Brazilian transactions while seeking $3 million in unpaid fines from X. Now, on to our venture special. First, Earth.fm. Earth.fm is a non-profit, free repository of over 900 pure and immersive natural soundscapes from around the world. Next, Remote WLB. Remote WLB is a remote jobs aggregation platform dedicated to connecting remote job seekers with employment opportunities across various industries. Lastly, Breathworks. Breathworks is an on-demand breathwork service that delivers stress relief, decision clarity, and a better mood, with guaranteed results in just one session, even for those who can't meditate. The Waves. SpaceX resumes its Falcon 9 launches after FAA grounding. Apple is developing a low-end Magic Keyboard for iPad. Windows 11 is now the most popular OS on Steam. US has more 401k millionaires than ever. Back to the shore. We hope you enjoyed today's podcast. Let us know what you thought of it. Make sure to follow us on X, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn for even more content throughout the day. We're Waivly everywhere.